Hello everyone, today I'll walk you through the key differences between three types of American Standard terminals. Here we have the single-side entry splices insulated terminal, the dual-side entry splices insulated terminal, and the aluminum mechanical lugs. Single-side entry splices insulated terminals feature a rugged hard dielectric isol dipped coating, ensuring 600 voltage insulation integrity. Signage devices and Lumina IRS shall be rated for a maximum operating voltage of 1000 volts. Each unit comes preloaded with an advanced oxide inhibitor to combat electrochemical degradation. Precision laser-etched markings clearly display compatible wire gauges, complemented by CU9 AL dual material certification for seamless copper aluminum conductor compatibility. The double-side entry splices insulated terminal also features a rugged high dielectric P-last isol coating, with each unit preloaded with an oxide inhibitor. Precision laser etched markings clearly display compatible wire gauges. The aluminum mechanical lugs, built with a secure tongue base to stop movement, made from tough 6061 T6 aluminum, tin-plated for low resistance and corrosion. Works with copper. Aluminum wires rated 600 voltage, 90 degrees Celsius. UL486B certified for safe copper aluminum connections. Perfect for quick, reliable installs in construction and industry. In real-life use, for low wire density and confined spaces, home, office use. Choose single-sided terminals for high wire density and complex circuits. Industrial applications. Use double-sided terminals in harsh environments. PV systems, automotive equipment. Select aluminum mechanical lugs. This concludes today's technical walkthrough. To learn more about Linsky products, please visit our official website